promised I would show you how to make a lavender wand, and the girls want to know, so that's what we're doing. So if you gather an odd number of lavender stalks, I've got 7 here, stagger them so that they're not all ending at the same place, so that when you hold them like that they make a kind of fat wand shape, and then turn them upside down, grasp it firmly just where the buds end, and then gently, one by one, start to bend the stalks back on themselves like that. So to do this you'll need a nice long piece of ribbon and a pair of scissors and your lavender. So just things you've got lying around. You can use yarn if you like, it doesn't need to be ribbon. So there, I've bent all the lavender back on itself. Just tap it so that it's all the same length. And then I'm using this gold ribbon because it looked nice. So lay the gold ribbon or any ribbon or yarn like that under your thumb, and then you're going to weave, so go under the first stem and then over the second one, under the third one. You do have to just cobble along a bit with this because it's not always really obvious which is the next stem, so you have to rootle around a bit in it to find the next one. But once you've got going it gets a lot easier. So we're going to go under that one, over that one, and under that one, and just hold it all nice and firmly, tug it all back up to the top, go back to the beginning, and you can see that one we went under the first time, so this time we're going to go over it. This one we went over, we're going to go under. It starts to get a lot easier now. We're going to go over that one, under that one. Oh, and there's a rogue one that's not supposed to be there. So if you find one like that, don't worry, it's a stem. It sorts itself out in the end. As you can see, I'm not an expert at this. I can't even tell you how I learnt to do this, I don't remember, but it's something I've always done. And they're just so cute and make such a sweet present. They're good for teacher presents if you make a little bundle of them. At this point you're probably thinking, why would I give this tangled bunch of twigs to anybody? But I promise in a bit it starts to look better. I think I've gone a bit wrong there. Have I? I've gone a bit wrong there, but never mind. And then under that one, over the next one. Can you see what I'm doing? I know it doesn't look very fantastic at this point. Now I need to go over that one. You kind of make it up a bit as you go along, to be honest. Under that one. It's very easy at this stage to get the twigs confused with the actual flower bud, so if that happens, don't worry, just press on. So you can see it's starting to get a little basket effect now. Right, I'm going to press on with this and I'll be back to you in a minute to show you how it looks as we go along. That's great. which will be good. And we've also done one with some garden twine. Do you want to show Izzy? Izzy did one with garden twine, which I really like. Can you see that effect? I think it looks really nice. Susie did one with ribbon, but that ribbon was a bit wide for it, so perhaps if you had some thinner ribbon like this gold one, that would work better.
So that's a gold one when it's finished.
Yeah. So when you reach this stage where you've wrapped around quite a bit and you've got little bits sticking out, which is nice, just grab what's left and wrap around a few turns. I think it's nice to still have some green left poking out at the bottom. So I'm just going to do mine that much, and then wrap around and pull the end through, and one more time just to make a little knot like that, and then I'm going to make a loop to hang it with. There we go. Let's cut those scrappy ends off. And there's a lavender wand. It's just a bit of fun really, but it smells really cute and they're nice to put in your drawers with your undies. There we are. I'm going to have a go with the girls. Enjoy.